Hi! Welcome! Today we are tackling a very common problem many website owners face. You have important data organized in a Google Sheet, perhaps a price list, an event schedule, a product inventory, or a simple directory. You want to display this information on your Wix website, but the thought of manually copying and pasting updates every time a small detail changes is incredibly frustrating and time-consuming. It's a chore that can easily be forgotten, leaving your site with outdated information. Well, what if I told you there's a much smarter way? A method to create a direct, live link between your Google Sheet and your Wix site, so that any change you make in the sheet automatically appears on your website. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create a self-updating table in Wix directly from your Google Sheet. It's a game changer, and it's probably much easier than you think. First, we need to prepare our Google Sheet. Open the specific sheet you want to display on your site. The most important step here is to make it publicly visible so Wix can access its data. To do this, go to the File menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Share, and then select the option that says Publish to Web. A new window will pop up. In this window, ensure you are on the Link tab. You'll want to publish the entire document as a web page. Once those options are selected, click the big green Publish button and confirm any prompts. Google will then provide you with a long public URL. Go ahead and copy this link. We will need it for the next part. Now, let's jump over to your Wix website editor. Navigate to the specific page where you want this new table to live. On the left side of the editor, click on the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. A menu will appear. From this menu, go to Embed and Social, and then select the Embed a Site element. Wix will place a generic embed box onto your page. Click on this new box to select it, and a small settings panel will appear, asking you to enter a website address. This is where you will paste the public link you copied from your Google Sheet. But hold on, don't just hit enter yet. If you use the link as is, your site will display the Google Sheet along with all its menus, toolbars, and branding, which doesn't look very professional. We want a clean, simple table. To achieve this, we need to perform a little trick by modifying the URL you just pasted. Go to the very end of the link in the address bar and add this small piece of code, widget equals true and headers equals false. This simple addition does two magical things. Though widget equals true part strips away all the extra Google Sheets interface, leaving just the grid of your data. Then headers equals false part removes the default column letters like A, B, C and the row numbers like 1, 2, 3, making it look like a native table built for your site. After adding the code, you'll see the content inside the embed box transform into a clean grid. Now, you can resize the embed box on your page by dragging its corners, making it wider or taller to fit your data perfectly and avoid unnecessary scroll bars. The best part is that this connection is now live and automatic. To test it, go back to your original Google Sheet and change a value, update a price, correct a name, or add a completely new row. After you make the change in the sheet, go back to your published Wix site. You may need to refresh the page. Within a few minutes, Google's server will update, and you will see the changes reflected on your website automatically. You have successfully created a dynamic, self-updating table. And that's all there is to it. A simple yet incredibly powerful way to keep your Wix site's data current without any manual effort. It's a set it and forget it solution that saves time and ensures your visitors always see the most accurate information. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful and want more simple guides and website tips to make your life easier, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next video.